Welcome to a future where health and wellness are driven by innovation, powered by technology, and accessible to all. The health industry is undergoing a transformation like never before. From wearable tech that tracks your every move to artificial intelligence that diagnoses diseases faster than any doctor, technology is revolutionizing healthcare. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the groundbreaking advancements shaping our lives. From personalized medicine and virtual reality to robotics and AI, let's explore the innovations driving the health revolution. Healthcare has come a long way. In the past, it was reactive, treating diseases after they occurred. Today, we're moving toward proactive, preventive, and personalized care. Take the evolution of diagnostics. Not long ago, diagnosing illnesses relied heavily on symptoms and basic tests. Today, tools like MRI scans, kinetic imaging, and genomic testing offer unparalleled insights into the human body. The introduction of technology into healthcare isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Machines are learning from vast data sets, surgeries are being performed with robotic precision, and health data is being gathered from wearables. Imagine being alerted about a heart attack hours before it happens, or having your treatment customized based on your DNA. These aren't just ideas, they're the reality of tomorrow's healthcare. Wearable technology is at the forefront of the health revolution. Devices like the Apple Watch, Fitbit, and Garmin aren't just fitness trackers, they're health monitors that provide real-time data on heart rate, sleep patterns, and stress levels. But this is just the beginning. Wearables are evolving into medical-grade devices capable of monitoring chronic conditions. For example, the continuous glucose monitor, CGM, allows diabetics to track their blood sugar levels in real time, reducing complications and improving quality of life. Other wearables, like ECG-enabled smartwatches, can detect atrial fibrillation, a leading cause of strokes, and alert users to seek medical attention. In the future, we might see contact lenses that monitor glucose levels for diabetics or skin patches that measure hydration and nutrient levels. Wearables are no longer accessories, they're lifesavers.